This conference will now be recorded.
So in the last class you have clear now in relationships and everything.
The relationships, yeah, well, yeah, I went through it. I did it, but there's a process that there's a process that we were doing which I could not.
Which process?
Okay, when we did the
Relationship.
yeah, creating the relationship, when you get the
Yeah,
notification
creating the
that
relationship.
yeah,
Yeah,
hold
creating
on,
the relation.
hold on, let me tell you where I got stuck. I could not, when I created the relationship, I deleted I entered a record,
Okay.
I created the relationship. I got the error message that you cannot create relationship with a child record already in the organization. So I went and did what you did, delete the record.
Okay.
And when I tried to go back and I went back to departments and tried to refresh, I cannot see my uh, the new the relationship, the parent relationship which I created. I cannot see it.
See, just one thing.
Yeah.
Just small clarification required.
Mhm.
Okay. You created only for master detail relationship as a lookup relationship. Only in the yesterday in the last class we discussed only on the master detail relationship, right?
Yes.
See, this is a professor's object, right?
Hmm.
This is a professor's object. In this professor's object, we do not have any relationship related to this and one object to the another object,
No.
right? So, what no? They have no relationship, right? They have no relationship. In professor object have no relationship,
No, there's no relationship.
right? So, right now I created the master detail relationship to the because of why I created the professors to departments because of in every professor have only one department is right. Every
Yeah.
professor has one department
Yeah.
like a maths professor or chemistry professor or physics professor, right?
Yes.
So is that the reason department is a master object and the professor is a child object. One max
Uh-huh.
subject has lot of the professors is there, but one professor have only one subject is there. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Let's see. And one more thing before creating the master detail relationship, first of all you check on in the child object have any records is there. The child object have any records? Have any records? No records. They have no records, right? So
Yes.
then go for the fields. Okay. I already told you. In the relationship is a custom fields. See master detail relationship. Click
Yeah.
next and related to which object means parent object. That is the departments. There is departments, right? Next. Okay. Field name. Which one? Department. Okay. This is a required field? No. And I'm not checking the allow reparenting. Allow reparenting, I'm not checking. Okay. Why I'm not check, I will explain. later. In this class only I can explain. Okay, just
Okay.
follow me. Next, next, next. Cell I created. So let's go for the professors. New. See, department is there now.
Okay. Yeah.
As I told you earlier, the master detail field is the required field. The master detail field is the
Mhm.
required field. Okay. So
Okay.
just create some the department, the mechanical and physics. Physics. PH by 1, 2, 3. Okay. And save. And save. See, let's create the professor's object. New professor name. The stars. Okay. G E dot G O G. That's provision. It's department. Physics department. Just click on the set. See, record is created. Right.
Yeah.
So in the meanwhile, what you are missing on this?
When I went to the left, the right corner and went to fields, I could not find the the parent.
Master detail relationship.
Yeah. When I went, I couldn't find it in the. Yeah, I couldn't find it here.
See, I can explain later. Sorry, again I can explain. Okay, let's see. Just I click on the view fields. I click
Mhm.
on the view fields. Okay, view fields. Here, custom fields and relationship.
Mhm.
Custom fields and relationships. Just click on the new.
Yeah.
Yeah, there no master detail relationship.
Yeah. You could click. Yeah. You check it and then click next.
Yes.
I did that. Okay. Well, I'll give it a try again. Let's see what's the deal.
Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Okay. Next we go for the lookup relationship. Next we go for the lookup relationship. See,
Okay.
in that scenario, okay, in that scenario, the professors have department is a mandatory, right? Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, in students also department is mandatory, right? Correct.
Yeah.
Like in student have some extra curriculum activities is there, like dancing, singing, like painting, or other playing the cricket, rugby, football, like that. Okay, in the every student have activities is the optional field. If you have, then you can apply, otherwise not need, right? Are you getting or not?
Yeah, I'm getting you.
Yeah. So every student have one extracurriculum activities, right? So that extracurriculum activity is optional. If you mention, okay, otherwise no needed. Clear?
Clear.
So is that reason extracurriculum is the parent and the student object is the child. Okay. So again, go to the student object. Okay.
Oh, oh,
Go to the student.
okay.
Go to the student object. Here, student record is there. Here, student record is there, right? So meanwhile, I'm sorry. Again, go for the view fields. Okay. View fields. New. Again, I can show you. 1 second. See, student, here records is there. Augustus,
Yeah.
record is there. View fields, custom fields and relationship, new. See here, lookup relationship. Next, related to means parent object is the extra curriculum activities. Okay. Next, field name, extra curriculum activity. Okay. Next, save. Okay. Just see on it. Student. Okay. New. See, extra curriculum activity.
Okay. Why? How did you get the
Which one?
extracurricular activities as as
I
the
am
master? How do you decide to make it the master? What is the
because
idea?
of
Mhm.
yeah. In student have at least one curriculum activity. At least one curriculum activity. See, Augustus. See some cricket, okay, and football and singing, right? And singing and dancing. Let's example. These four are the extracurriculum activities. These four are the extracurriculum activities. Okay. These are the four students. These are the four students. In every student have one extra curriculum activities is there. Okay.
Mhm.
So in that extra curriculum activity mentioned or not is not a required field. Is not a required field. If you mention or not, there is no issues. Correct.
Correct.
But in the department, every student have one unique department is there. Every student have one unique department is there. So this is a mandatory. But extracurriculum activities is not a mandatory field. Is not a mandatory. Okay. So is that reason we created for the extracurriculum activity has the parent object. Extracurriculum activity is the parent, because in the cricket have so many of the players is there. In cricket we played so many students. In football we played so many students. In singing and dancing also so many people we can do it, right? So is that the reason is that the reason parent is the extracurriculum activity and the student is the child.
Child. Okay.
Student is the child object.
Okay.
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 Yeah. See, I created on it. Student and regular. See, I'm not enter the extracurriculum activities, and this is also I removed. Okay, this is also I removed. Click on the save, but in the departments it is showing error. Okay, physics. Just click on the save. So
No error.
no errors.
Okay.
Okay, clear? Yes.
Yeah. 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 It's good.
Okay, fine. And This is the document. I will explain the one-to-one relationship and one-to-many explanation. One-to-one and one-to-many also explain. Clear? Means
Yeah.
master detail and the lookup also I explained.
Okay. So yeah, lookup is just like the master detail relationship.
Yes, yes, master detail.
It's
No,
just
no,
the
no.
same. It's
No, no, no. It's not a master detail is a separate and lookup is a separate.
correct. But the concept is the same. It is optional.
No, no, no. Different. Parent to child relationship is concept is same. Here, pa- here parent to child concept
Uh-huh.
is same.
Okay.
But in master detail, parent
Uh-huh.
if you created the child object, parent record is mandatory. Parent field is mandatory. Okay, and
Yeah.
you delete the parent record, corresponding child records is deleted.
Yes.
Corresponding child records is deleted. Let's see in department. Okay, physics. I delete on it. Okay, deleted. Let's see. Yeah, Augustus was a mechanical. Okay, okay. Let's see. Delete the mechanical also. Okay. Student, they have no records. In student, they have no records. In professor, also no records. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. This is a cascade deleting.
That's cascade. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. When you delete the master, the child records is deleted.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
See, already created. So many to many relationship. Today we discuss about the many to many relationship.
Okay.
See, in few cases we have to map many to many association between the two objects. Two objects, we provide the one to many relationship we have created, right? We have to create a one to many relationship. That is the master detail relationship or lookup relationship. Augusto, do you have any doubts regarding for the one to many and many one to one relationship?
No.
Okay. See, in the many to many relationship, okay, see, the many to many relationship, okay, now there's two objects. We can't map between the two objects. Okay, we can't map many to many relationship between the two objects.
Oh, let me
But
ask you something before you start many to many. Before you start the many to, let me ask you one question regarding
yeah, yeah,
the
ask us.
one to many relationship. You had shown
One,
how you delete just one record.
yeah,
You delete one record because you got an
yes, yes.
error saying that you cannot uh, create a master with a child record existing in the organization. What if you had 1,000 records? What do you do? Do you just delete all 1,000 records? Or do you do something? What do you do? I mean, if you had 1,000
In the
records, not just one.
in that 1000 records
Yeah.
have different parent objects. Have the parent records are same as in 1000 have same only one parent record.
They have child record. Those are child record, 1,000 child records, and you are trying to create a parent record. Do you
One second,
delete
one second.
because you get the
See,
error message that says you cannot create a master record, a master relationship with an existing child record or corresponding child record.
see, this is
What?
the parent. This is the parent object, and this is the child object. Okay,
Uh-huh.
we have 1000 records.
Yeah, child records existing. Yes.
Okay, we have 10,000
Oh, no,
records.
no.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
If you delete the 10,000 records, okay,
Mhm.
if you delete the 10,000 records, delete on the 10,000 records, corresponding 10,000 records also is deleted.
Yes, I understand that. That's not what I'm asking. What I'm
Okay.
asking is when you are
Okay.
creating parent record,
Okay.
when you're creating, if there's already an existing child record corresponding, like you went and delete the child record and then refresh and it was okay. I said, what if you had more than one record? If you
See,
had
see, 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 see.
30
One
records?
second, one second, Augustus. One second, Augustus.
Yes.
In the see, I will show you practically. Let's say see departments, right? I created one name. Uh, Civil. Okay. Civil.
Mhm.
C. Yeah. Okay. Let's say and again mechanical. Mechanical. Okay. CSC. CSC 236. Say C. Student testing. Department. CSC. Again. Testing 2. Okay. Mechanical. Testing 3. Civil. Already created a okay. Civil. Save. Okay. I created the 3 records.
Yeah.
I created on 3 records. Okay. Okay. If you delete on the parent record, corresponding child record is deleted. But in the moment, in that moment, in the department already mentioned the parent record. In the moment we mentioned, we already assigned the parent record in that record only. In that record, okay. In that record already parent record is assigned.
Exit.
It can't be changed. It can't be changed, right? Remaining all
Yeah.
are the changed, right?
Yeah.
Remaining all are the changed.
Yeah.
Regular are testing 34. We created, save na. But
Yeah.
so you, what is your doubt?
The, this process is before this one. I understand we already have the parent record, which is the department. I mean, the first time where there was an error that says you cannot create a, a parent record when there's an existing child record. You must delete the child record first before you
Yes.
create. Yes. What if you had a lot of child records existing without when before you create the parent record? What happens? What do you do? Because you only delete one. That's easy to delete. What if you have 30? You go one by one and delete all 30 and give them parent
Okay, okay. Yeah,
record
yeah, understood.
first before.
Yes, yes,
That's my
yes, yes.
question.
Yes, yes, I understood it. The child record have thousands records. But on the
Yes,
child record, we created on the master detail to the some other object, right?
correct.
Yeah. But before thing, one thing, Justus,
Mhm.
one thing. Okay. Uh, Sincerely, I tell you, they have the two processes there.
Okay.
They have two processes there. Okay. First one, before going to this project, before to develop the any project, okay, first of all they identify the which object is the master detail or the lookup, okay, or the many to junction object. Junction object I can explain, okay. Before only we can develop on, before only we can create it. Clear? So see, in the branches object is there, I create the student to this branch object, okay. So in the branch object, first of all, in the child object have some records. The child object have some records, right? So let's see master detail, okay, related to the branch. Next, branch, okay. Next, step. But it can't be created, right? It can't be created. So again, we go for the see, before you created the lookup relationship, next branch, next branch, next save, okay. Relationship is created. Clear? Next, if you go change field type, master, next save, create a master data. Ernest, if you don't mind, can I explain tomorrow this scenario?
Okay, no problem.
Actually, it is possible, but there is a tomorrow. Definitely, I can explain tomorrow. Tomorrow,
okay.
Friday. Yeah, okay. Tomorrow I can explain you. Definitely. Okay.
Yeah, the reason I was asking, because that error message, you remember the first error message you showed me? It said you need to go to somewhere, do something, and then populate this from the look chart. Yeah, and then when you populate it into the master. So I was reading it and I was saying, I didn't see you do that process, because if it means you already had like 200 child record in the place, how would you do it?
Yeah, yes.
Okay,
Just listen.
Okay, but you say you do it tomorrow.
Yeah. In my first project, in my first starting project, I'm doing on this process only. Okay, in the child object have some records is there. Some records is there.
Yeah.
And if you then object will be created to the another object has a master detail relationship. Then we created for the lookup. Then we can change the convert to the master detail relationship. How it is? I forgot, seriously I forgot it. Okay, no worry. Tomorrow I can explain.
Okay.
Tomorrow I can explain.
All
okay.
Right. No problem. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah, let's see on the many to many relationship. Okay. Let's see on many to many relationship. Okay. In the many to many relationship, we can't map on the two objects directly. Previously, one to many relationship is one object and the another object. Parent and child relationship is there, right? But in the many to many relationship, we create only one object. Only one object. That object is a junction object. Then object is called as a junction object. Okay.
Spell it.
See,
What is junction?
yeah,
Junction?
yes. See, this is the junction object. Junction object means one custom object. Junction object is one custom object. Okay. In the junction object, rarely means rarely 99% in our process we can't work on it. In the 1% chance is there, then we can use on the junction object. Very rare cases we create on the junction object. As per our knowledge purpose only, and in interview point of view, I can explain how to create the junction object. Okay.
Okay.
See, in the junction object is nothing but as a custom object. Junction object is nothing but as a custom object. Let's create one custom object. Okay. Let's create one custom object. See, setup, create object, and any custom, anything else. Okay.
Hold on. You just okay. You want to custom new object.
ఏంటిది కూల్ డ్రింక్ ఏ ఫోన్ అయిపోయింది కదా స్వామి
Recording. See, Xbox. Next. Okay.
Okay. What have you just done? Because we're all you've been changing screen and clicking and
Just
changing. I don't know what you're doing though. I don't know what you're doing. I've just been watching the screen changing as you click. So please explain.
Just I created only one custom object only. I created only one custom object only. Custom object only I created.
Called
I'm not created any.
Called junction account.
Me.
Is that what you
putting
call
on
it?
the junction account? No. You can write anything else. Or JO or J charge account.
No, please slow down a little bit. I'm just saying.
No,
You've
this
been-
this video. See, this
You've
video
been
is
changing
recording.
screen. You've been changing screen, and I can't hear. You don't say nothing, but the screen has been changing.
See, okay. I deleted.
Yes, please.
I
Let me
deleted.
just. I want to follow what you're doing.
I created the one custom object. How to create it? Setup,
Same thing. Okay.
create, object,
Objects.
new custom object, accountant, okay,
Okay.
accountant, save, and tab style. Next, save. Okay, accountant. Okay, in that accountant we created the junction object. We created the junction object. How? In the
Okay.
see, if you created the junction object, we have two master detail objects. We have two master detail objects. Okay. Have two master detail objects. First master detail is the see, we need to achieve the future. We create a junction object which can associate with both parents with master detail association. Okay, clear, Augustus?
Yes.
So first master detail field is called as the primary master, and second master detail field is called as the secondary master. Okay, clear?
Okay. Which one is the primary? Which one is the secondary?
First of all, what you created on the one master detail object, sorry, first what you created on the master detail field is called as a primary master, and
Which is
second one is a secondary master.
Which is the accountant is the primary. Is that what
No,
you're saying?
no, don't go for this account contacts or these things. Okay, accountant is the one custom object.
Yes.
Accountant is the one custom object.
Correct.
In that custom object, we created a junction object. In the custom object, we created the junction object. How? If you created the junction object, we need two master detail fields. We need two master detail fields. Okay. In the first master detail field is the primary master, and second master detail field is called as a secondary master. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see how to creation on it. Fields.
Fields.
Okay. Fields. New custom fields. Let's choose on the master detail. Next, created on the department. Next, see department.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Department is the master accountant.
Primary
is
master.
the child. Yeah, is the primary master
No,
and
no, no,
accountant.
no, no.
Now what is this? I can't read that. Cannot create master.
See Augustus. This is the accountant object. Okay. In that department is master detail field. That is primary master. Okay. And I created another one like branch. Okay. Branch is a master detail field. That is, it is a secondary master. Understand?
Yeah.
Here they have no child and they have no child concept, only parent only. Only
Okay.
parent and other custom fields.
Okay.
Only parent and other custom fields only. Understand?
Okay.
See, new fields. The department field is already created. Department field is already created. And branch field is created. Creation. Master. Branch. Next. Branch. Next. Save. Okay. Clear? This is called as the function object.
Okay.
This is called as the function object.
Can you increase your font a little bit? Please let me see that properly. See,
One second, I will show.
please.
Yeah.
'Cause I can't.
See that?
Okay, accountant name, then department, then branch. Okay. All right.
Department is a master and branch is also master.
It's a master. Okay.
Yeah, first we created on the department's object, right?
As a
Is a master object.
primary.
This is the primary
Yeah.
and this is the secondary.
The secondary. Then the accountant object. Okay. Okay. When do you use the many to many? When are you required to use the many to many?
When in accountant we required for this department details and the branch details. At the moment we create for the many to many relationship.
Okay.
Clear?
That is if you have a lot of.
Sorry?
Okay, I'm just thinking in a company, in an organization like a big company, what
Okay.
what kind of examples would be used? What would be a master to master?
Depends on scenarios we using on it. Depends on scenario we can use on it. In my entire experience, I am not work on the many to many relationship. As per our knowledge and the interview
Uh-huh.
point of view, I learn on it.
Oh, okay, okay. But you don't see a lot
Okay.
in the real world. Okay.
In real world, some cases we created on it, some cases we didn't create. Only we created,
Okay.
but 99% we created on the master detail and the lookup relationship.
Okay. The
Okay.
one to many is more
Yes.
popular. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I'll just have to try this. Yeah.
Clear, Augustus?
Yes.
Okay. Let's move. Now look. And one more thing, the parent professors department. I see one thing. Okay. Mechanical. Let me see. 126. Save. Again, I created on it. Civil. CIV. Created on the student fields. Department. Save. Again, I can edit. I want to change the department. Civil has a mechanical. Is it possible? Yes.
You want to change the
Yeah, I want to change the civil to mechanical.
Yes, you can
Is this
change it.
how? Oh, this is not a editable. Only for the readable position is there. They have any no chances to edit on it? Any chances there? They have any option to change on it?
No, there's no option to change. But as the one who created, you can go back and change it.
Go back means student, test, edit. But they have no, no.
No, there's no edit. No, there's no edit available.
But in our business requirement, we want to change the parent object to the corresponding child object. So they have one possibility is there. They have one possible chance is there. See, again, go to the fields. Go to the fields. Which one is the department is the our? I want to change the department, right?
Hmm.
Just click on the edit. Just click on the edit. Here, allow reparenting. Allow reparenting. Just click on it. Save. Okay. Test. Okay. Edit. See here. Here. Edit option is there. Na? Edit option is there. Mechanical. Mechanical. So change it na. Change it or not?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So you have to check that box that says.
Yeah. Allow reparenting. Allow reparenting means once already record is created and that record we assign the one parent record. Parent record. As per our business requirement, I want to change the parent record. So then we using on the reparenting. Then we choose on the allow reparenting. Okay.
Okay. Okay. But child record, you don't have that problem, do you? What if you want to
No, they
change?
have no problem.
Because it's optional
They have no problem, right?
in child record.
Yeah, in jail record they have any changes is there only. I want to change that mechanical to civil. Again, just go change. Yeah, civil. Just click save. No errors will be occurred, na? No errors is occurred.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
right?
Yes. Right.
So this is called as a allow reparenting.
Allow reparenting. Okay.
Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Another one. External lookup relationship. External lookup relationship. What is the mean of external lookup relationship means? External lookup relationship means present we using on the our Salesforce standard objects and the custom objects, right? Yes or no, Augustus?
Yes, we are.
Yeah, but in the external lookup means this is the our Salesforce org, and this is our external organization. Means this is our Salesforce. Okay, this is external database means SAP or Oracle. Oracle database. Okay, Oracle database. Next, if you want to transfer the data, we using on the integration. You know that we using on the integration.
Integration.
But
Okay.
yes, but in the moment, if you want to transfer some data to the objects, they call as the external relationship. We call as the external lookup relationship. Call as the external lookup relationship. Okay. See, let's check. They have in my organization they have external objects is there or not? External application or external object is there or not? Let's check. Okay. So how to check? Setup external. You see on the external data source and objects. You see on the external data source and objects. Hello.
Yeah, external. Yeah.
Just click on it. They have no external data source. They have no external data source, right?
Right.
And any external objects is there? Let's check. They have no external objects. But then we don't have any external database and external data source and as well as external objects.
Or internal, no records or objects.
Yes, yes. So how to work on it? How to work on it? Is that the reason is in the Salesforce we providing the one trailhead session is there. One trailhead session is there. Okay. Clear, Augustus?
I don't understand what you mean by trailhead session. I mean, so
In the trailhead, what you
how do you transfer records from Salesforce to an external
just
server?
listen. As in trailhead means it is the complete material of the end-to-end in the Salesforce. Means they have the practice sessions is there. Okay. Some exercises also is there. Likewise, in Salesforce company in trailhead we given from the one external package and some of the external objects also is there. Okay. Clear?
So I should go to Trailhead to do this process.
Tomorrow I can explain you. How to install the package, and how to merge that package to the external objects, and how to create the indirect lookup and external lookup. Okay, how to create the indirect lookup and external lookup. Clear?
I can't read what you're showing here on this document. Can you increase the font for the external lookup? I can see. Okay, okay. He said external. So
Lookup relationship.
Lookup relationship, indirect lookup, and external lookup relationship, indirect. Okay, direct and indirect. Okay. But yeah, Siva, you said you would send me this document and the other project, student project, relationship document and student, but I didn't get it. I mean, so I've not seen it yet. So
I'm
maybe
really sorry. I'm really sorry once again.
Okay, no problem.
At any point tomorrow I can forward you.
Sure,
Any
no
point
problem.
tomorrow I can forward.
Okay, no problem. Okay, external.
Tomorrow
Okay.
class. Yeah,
Okay,
just
so
listen.
I have to go to-
Cool. Augustus, cool. Just listen. Tomorrow I will show you how to install a package and how to create the indirect lookup and external lookup also. Clear?
Okay.
Yeah, because of this is a very lengthy process.
Oh,
Pradap, this is a
okay.
very lengthy process. So
So we,
yeah. So tomorrow I can explain.
oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Fine, Augustus.
All right. No problem.
Yeah. Good night. Bye.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.